morning, everyone. I'm making some face scrub. This is what I use every morning on my face. It is amazing. I have many less wrinkles now that I've been using this. It's so easy. Just 3 ingredients. Normally I would use jojoba oil, but I don't know where mine is right now. It's packed. So this works just fine. Olive oil is perfect for the situation. So you're going to take your jar, however much you're making. I fill 1/3 of the jar with raw honey. So the raw honey that comes, thicker makes a really good paste for the scrub. Then you want to use 1/3 of the jar with the baking soda. You want to make sure that your baking soda is pure. So just pour that in. I'm trying to do this while holding my phone. Like that. And then you're going to use your oil. I'm using this brand right now. It's not my favorite because it's been bought out. It used to be amazing company, but it's been bought out by big money investors, which usually means the quality changes. But in a pinch, this is the only one I could find with the best quality. It still is organic and it's still 100% sourced from Greece. So you want to look for olive oil that's not only organic, but from one country, one source. So they're not just mixing different quality olive oils together when you're buying olive oil. But anyway, that's all you do. You take your oil, your baking soda, and your honey, and I'm just going to mix this up, and that's the scrub. And then it keeps indefinitely. Honey can last for thousands of years. It's a natural preservative. It's excellent for skin. It has so many healing benefits for skin. You can look it up. It's been used again for thousands of years for all kinds of different skin ailments. And then the soda is just a light scrub that's not too abrasive for your skin. And then the olive oil, so it leaves your skin really soft and it's just really nice. So anyway, now I'm gonna go wash my face, but I just wanted to show you, easy peasy.